Today I'm going to show you how to clean and sanitize your brow brushes. First, we're going to start with the cavity wipes. This is hospital grade disinfectant and it's going to kill all of those diseases. Now we're going to go in with the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. This is the lemon scent. And then also I like to put it in the small spray bottle. And then I have my soiled brushes and a dental bib. This is optional. If you just clean off your station, you'll be good, but I like to have this extra clean. And of course, a paper towel so you can clean the brushes on there. Now you're gonna set up, make sure your soiled brushes are on the side. You don't want them in your clean area. I like to start with the brushes that are the least dirty, so I'm going to start with my blending brushes, and I like to spray both sides of the brush. That way I can make sure it's saturated, and I'm just going to swirl on the paper towel until that brush rubs out clean. One thing I forgot to mention about the Cinema Secrets is that in addition to it being a cleanser, it's also a disinfectant. So that's why I love using it. Now I'm going to go with the cavity wipes to clean the ferrule in the handle of the brush. And then I'm just going to set it aside and repeat. Now it's time to clean the tint brushes. It's helpful if you rinse these first, and then of course, go ahead and spray both sides of the brush again. Since the brushes did have tint on them and they tend to be a little bit more saturated, you just have to take a little bit more time with this. You want to make sure you have clean brushes for all your clients. And then sometimes you have to spray the brush twice. That's okay. That's what it's there for. Clean those brushes, girl. Last but not least, we're going to clean these babies, spray both sides, get to swiping on that paper towel. And this whole process takes less than 10 minutes, maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. It doesn't take a long time at all. Now, of course, it depends on how many brushes you're cleaning. I think I cleaned about 7 brushes at a time. But you want to make sure you always have the clean brushes for your clients. If you know you're going to have a very busy day, it helps to have more brushes. I'm actually going to purchase more for myself because when you're working, you don't have time to stop and clean. That's why it's good to have multiple brushes. And that's all, you guys. One more thing, the cleanup is so easy when you're using this dental bib. Put everything on there and ball it up and toss it away.